Tails is the call, and tails it is. It's a good toss to win. They really need to make most of the conditions now. Here come the openers, greeted with a loud cheer. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Nudges it for a single. That is huge speed. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wickets at this stage. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. That's hit straight to the fielder. The captain has been good with the field placements. Batsman can't find the gap. It's straight to the fielder. Shot, but only a single. Long leg in place, the batsman would be expecting some short balls. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. And he helps himself to a six. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. Strokes it into the gap for a single. That is a very quick single taken. Last ball of the innings coming up. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for six. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. He has hammered that. and that sails into the crowd for a second. That is huge speed. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That's into the gap. Should look for 3. That is excellent running between the wickets. Bang! Into the gap for 4. The elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. That is huge speed. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. That is huge speed. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. The winning runs are scored, and the batsmen congratulate each other after having won the game for their side.